Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
What is up, family? Like the intro said, it's the Cosmic here with another Stockcast case study, and today we're going to go over WIMI. WIMI, WIMI Holographic Cloud Incorporated. It is up massive amount, almost 300, almost 400%, a little over 400%. Why? And why am I going to go over it now? Well, let's look back. I want to go ahead and look back at 1 month. 1 month on June 15th. What was it sitting at? 333, and that was almost the lowest it's gotten. Let's look at these tweets. June 15th. Show my poll. That's one chance. Let me look at this one. June 28th. June 28th. Still sitting at in the 330s, threes. So I gave y'all so many chances to actually have this case study out and actually be on this massive run. Anybody who would have wanted this could have gotten it. And I have to say that it wasn't my credit to take for. It was Mother Goose at Mother Goose. His Twitter is down below in my description. He's the one that told me that I should do a case study on it, and I left it to a Twitter poll. He was saying that it is a great play for a investment, a long time play. And this is why, if you want to break down the analytics on it. So its market cap is $205 million. Long-term debt is $34 million. Well, let's just keep scrolling down. I mean, the PE ratio is 15. Their revenue is $79 million. Their revenue growth over 1 year is 41%. Their net income is $41 million. Their total cash that they have on hand is $131 million. And their long-term debt, again, is 34. Holy cow. And it's the lower float. That's why it's gone supernova right now. What is WIMI? What is this corporation? This incorporated. So WIMI Hologram Cloud Incorporated and its subsidiaries offer augmented reality AR-based holographic services and products that cater to its customers. The company's holographic AR advertising software enables users to insert into video footages real or animated three-dimensional objects that integrate seamlessly with the scene, such as footages. The operating business segments are augmented reality advertising services and the AR and AR entertainment. The company derives substantial portion of their revenue from the AR advertising service segment. Geographically, the company operates in Songqing, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong. I'm so sorry if I butchered that word. Where it derives maximum revenue from Shenzhen, people of Republic of China. So it is a Chinese-based penny stock. It was a penny stock before now. It's gone supernova. And you won't catch me chasing it. Honestly, I'll probably catch a bounce. I'll probably catch a solid bounce off of this. I wish it was trading options. Otherwise, I would trade options on it on Monday. What was the news that really kicked off this spike? And here early in the morning, I mean, we got this news early in the morning. We were talking about it on my live stream this morning, and their AR plus AI vision to drive a new wave of 5G application. like we saw this gapping up. I thought it was already overextended up at 95%. Now look at it. It's supernova because it's a massive short squeeze. The company has great technicals, great fundamentals, and I just don't know what else to say. I did find an article from investorplace.com that I would like to get out of here. That I would like to go ahead and go over. So the title is WIMI Hologram Cloud Stock Flies 202% Higher on Potential 5G Breakthroughs. By William White, Investor Place writer, today at 3:43 p.m. Eastern. So WIMI Holographic Cloud was actually able to provide a solid example during its World Artificial Intelligence Conference due to novel coronavirus. The convention included human holographic projection that included appearance from Alibaba, founder Jack Ma, and Tesla co-founder and CEO Elon Musk. So 2 big people were on this call. Honestly, I think this stock could fly like way high. I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably get in on it. And keeping all of this in mind, the company says the hologram tech is set for massive growth in the coming years. The company predicts that the market will see exponential growth over the next few years and reach 500 billion in 2025. And that's the 5G market, not the actual company in itself. This is a following excerpt from the company press release on commercial hologram growth. After 5G landing, the first seen application will accelerate development of VR/AR, and growth rate of the Chinese market will be higher than that of the whole world. Therefore, with 5G blessing, the communication and transmission shortboards of VR and AR and other immersive game scenes will be made up, and it is expected that the commercial use of VR, AR of immersive games will be accelerated. This, I mean, it's huge news, especially to have, founder of Alibaba and Elon Musk that was in in that conference as well, and it's just amazing, and I love supernovas. I love that this company, I honestly think that this is easily a $50 stock. Honestly, if I get in it, that's what I'm going to be trying to shoot for. I'll probably take profits around 30. I don't think this is done, but at the same time, it is up super high. So likely what I will be doing is catching the dip, catching it whenever it does crack, because nothing can keep going up like this forever. And I don't think it will. I think people will start to take profits going into the after hours. Let's go ahead and look back at the chart here. I mean, it's at 1850 right now, and this is nothing but a massive short squeeze. Massive short squeeze. So I'm not going to chase it, but I would catch a bounce. And this is how come you don't short on Fridays either. Like, people see, oh, it's up almost 90%, blah blah blah, let's short it, let's short it down. Do you see it? let's hammer this stock down. And the buying power was like no, and then it broke out, and then the shorts were like, oh crap, and they're still like, oh crap. They have, I mean, it's after hours now, and it's still just on a massive run. I used all my liquidity today on options, which is fine because I'm not going to have FOMO about this play. But it's something that testified to what we do at the Anonymous Traders Discord server, which the link is also down below. We call these plays. We look at these plays and we see what's going to be running. And like I said, Mother Goose called it 100%. He was the one that told me to do the case study way long ago. I didn't do it because y'all didn't want it. I didn't think it would perform well. Well, the stock did perform well. Probably the best performing stock out of all my other case studies. So with that, fam, every time I put a list out that says, hey, this is a case study, what would y'all like me to do as a case study? Put all those on your watch list, because those are things that me and my team are closely looking at. Now, I'm not telling you to buy them. I'm telling you to watch them, because potential like this could happen. Thank you so much for watching, fam. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace and be safe.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.